In this video, I'm going to show you how to order and buy from CNFans full guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guiding on how to order and buy from CNFans. This is your complete guide, from adding products to your cart to getting them shipped to your doorstep. Let's dive right in. First is to add products to your cart. Find a product link, copy and paste the link of the item you want to buy, and then choose your options. Select size, color, or any variations available. Agree to terms. Click on Please read and agree before adding the item to your cart, and then Add to Cart. Click the Add to Cart button and place your order. Go to your cart and review your items. Click Submit Order and choose your payment method, a credit or debit card, cryptocurrency, or Apple Pay. 3 is to track your order status. After placing the order, track the status updates. Ordered, you place the order. Seller sent, the seller has sent the item to CNFans warehouse. 3 is to stock arrive, your product has reached the warehouse. 4 is to QC photos done. You'll get photos for quality checks, you can request more if you need. And the 5th is to stored in warehouse, and this is the one that ready for shipment. 4 is to prefer for shipping. Check the product measurement, set with QC photos, select the items you want to ship together, declare a price for custom purposes like $12 per kilogram for the US and $15 per kilogram for the Canada, and then keep shipments under 10 kilogram to avoid common issues. Now from that, enter your delivery address, pay the shipping fees, and once shipped, track your order until it arrives. And that's it. Now you know how to order from CNFans, one of the most reliable third-party platforms for buying replica products. Stick to the steps and your shopping experience should be smooth and hassle-free. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.